Open an account. Open an account with StockMarketFunding.com and learn about the new advantages offered exclusively through BSI Capital and Stock Market Funding. Make informed trading decisions right from your computer through our live trading room support. What does that mean? That means that from the pre-market to the closing bell, we are right there with you all day long, making sure that you get the right entries and exits. That's what the live trading room support's about. You'll get exclusive news analysis throughout the day of what markets are doing, trading analysis, where stocks hit support and sell at resistance, the market commentaries, where the indexes are, and the stock trading tools designed to beat high-frequency trading software programs. We understand that it takes money to make money in markets. This is why we provide our traders with trading capital, as most day traders year to date have been washed out of the markets due to high frequency trading programs and price volatility. As a leading direct access market making trading firm with over 500 traders and growing worldwide, we understand the needs of today's traders, and that's why we offer our 30 years of experience. The live trading room real-time entry and exits on stock and options. That means that during that intraday process, we are trading live stocks, buying at support, selling at resistance, and in the options, we have our own option pit. Each new account opened at Stock Market Funding will receive no prior trading experience needed to open an account. $2,500 minimum to open an account. A minimum of 6 to 1 buying power leverage. It tells you here, 2,500 times 6 to 1, you get $15,000. That's more than what you have now. With an account with a minimum deposit of $5,000, you're going to get $50,000 intraday. Buying power, $10,000 minimum account, you will receive 10 times 15. That equals $150,000 intraday. What that means is that online discount brokerage firms and where you're currently at do not give you that type of leverage to trade with. We do because we know what we're doing. You get exclusive trading software and tools through BSI Capital and StockMarketFunding.com. Direct access trading software for lower prices compared to retail discount brokerage firms. Retail discount brokerage firms, we'll talk about those. Institutional per share commission rates with trader rebates and incentives. Unlimited access to archive educational videos and past webinars. That means that we have over 4,200 live trading videos that we do every single day with proven results. With trading profits, you will be able to go back and review these live trading lessons. Online discount brokerage firms versus direct access trading with StockMarketFunding.com. Having been a veteran for over 30 years in the market, before your TD Ameritrades, your Schwabs were online, your Thinkorswim or ShareBuilder or E-Trade, Scottrade, Trade King Option House, and many more to speak of, back in the middle and the early 90s, when direct access trading was first introduced to the public, I was involved with that group who brought the forefront technologies at that time, and the day trading models and standard technical analysis is what you used to be able to base your decisions on. This is not true anymore. One of the things that we would like to really tell you is your online discount brokerage firm will not give you margin as far as if your account is called a pattern day trading rule. It's $25,000. If you have less than $25,000, you will not get margin from your online discount brokerage firm. That's these people down here. If you make 3 intraday trades in a 5-day rolling period, you will be restricted to cash immediately and handicapped. One of the things that we would like to emphasize with you, the online discount brokerage versus stock market funding BSI Capital, it's very simple. One of the main disadvantages to discount online stock brokers is you have no help when you need it. And you know exactly what we're talking about. You've been experienced with these retail online people such as Schwab, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Merrill Edge, Options House, TradeStation, Interactive Brokers. One of the problems that you have is where is that real support? And why are you always so frustrated with it? Online discount brokerages have an outdated day trading platforms. They're not up to date with high frequency trading models. They're outdated and can't compete with today's high frequency trading technologies. One of the things that we will educate you on is how our technologies are up to date versus your other trading platforms. Their order execution systems, how orders are routed to the exchanges. That's a real big thing right here. Is how do I get executed on a buy and a sell? They do not provide the best pricing levels, such as us, because they are not direct access to the floor, allowing you to trade directly with a market maker or a specialist on the floor of the exchanges, like StockMarketFunding.com and BSI Capital. What does that mean? Our background comes from the floor trading model. Now we've incorporated the high frequency to go with it. The way that we route our orders directly to the floor versus your online discount broker, they don't. There's a middleman that goes through a trading desk. Execution is everything. They do not provide you with trading capital. They do not provide you with trading capital on new developments in high frequency trading and financial markets. They do not. We are constantly updating the systems on a daily level and a monthly level here at SMF. They will not provide you with any live orders and price levels to be profitable, where our live trading room does. They will not offer you any trading advice or strategies to help you become a profitable trader, as you know, based on your past experiences with those firms that you are currently with right now. SMF and BSI Capital understand your challenges and disadvantages that you currently have with your discount online broker. We already know. We were well ahead of them before they were ever a company, before all of them were ever developed. We were doing direct access trading. Then your online discount brokerage retail platforms came into play, and that's what the public was developed, and that's what you have. Here it's going to be quite different. All of these disadvantages can disappear right away when you open a new account with SMF and BSI Capital. Here is our phone number, and here is our email us. We provide you with everything that your discount online broker will not give you. They're not going to give you money in your trading account, and you know that. It takes money to make money, and we're here to make sure that you can get back into the markets and be capitalized. It's very important to be capitalized. Utilizing our entries and exits live during market hours. Before the fact, before the prices get there, we have our own pricing components for entries and our own pricing components for exits. Lots of traders today in the high frequency model, they get to buy a trade. That's the easiest thing to do, but they don't know when to come out, nor do they understand the exchange model that we understand. The exchange model has changed significantly over the past decade. That means that you're extremely handicapped with all of these online discount brokerages. You will have your brokerage account here. You will get better pricing. You will get better execution. You'll have direct access trading software right at your very tips. Dash Trader Inc. This is the direct access trading platform that you'll be using right here in every one of your new accounts, which will be direct access to the market. There are lots of features and lots of things and lots of advantages to have here. However, you will be using the Dash Trader Inc. It has complete support. It has a PDF file in the manual to set up. You will have all of the support that you need right at your very fingertips immediately with no delay. One of the emphases, or I'm going to emphasize on, my friends, is that we're here for you, and that your order execution and routing to place an order in the market and sell in the market is going to be lightning speed faster than what you have with all of these discount online brokerage firms. These platforms were developed for the public. Okay? They're not direct to the market. Those platforms will not compare to the Dash Inc. Trader. The order execution systems, once again, are outdated. We do understand one thing clearly. Over the last 10-year period, a lot of your discount online brokerage firms have lost a lot of their client base because they don't have the kind of services that StockMarketFunding.com and BSI Capital offer. Remember, the most important thing is this, my friends. We are putting up the money. We have the live trading room. You have 30 years of live experience behind you. You can join us for a day and you can come into our trading room and you can see what we do. You can see where we get our live entries and exits. As I have said before, StockMarketFunding.com has a lot of compassion for the day trader. And we understand that these other online discount brokerages are not going to fulfill what you need. It's not going to fulfill your orders correctly and your exits correctly, nor do they have the support that we have to offer. When we put up a lot of money, we know what we're doing. That's why one of our floor specialists in the live intraday trading room is there constantly, guiding you as a GPS through your entries and exits. Once again, we know what we're doing, otherwise we wouldn't have these programs. One of the things that I would like to say is that now that SMF has joined forces with BSI Capital, we have over 500 traders in the system worldwide. International traders can trade as well. They can open an account. It doesn't matter about experience. You don't have to have any experience. And even those that have been trading for the last 20 years, 30 years, 15 or 10 years, listen, the exchange model has totally been manipulated with high-frequency algorithmic buy and sell software that is run by machines and not traders. We understand that. We know how to deal with that. Our 30 years of experience comes from the back-end exchange model, such as the NYSE, NASDAQ Composite, the AMEX. We understand how they were developed, who deploys them, and how they handicap the day trader. Now, if you want a turnkey solution to your trading career, it's all right here, right now. What you can do is inquire and email us right away. Once again, we will invite you for a one-day trial to watch us live. We do have other things that we offer that discount online brokers will not offer you. Number one is the money. Number two is the support. And number three is the trade management. Please tell your friends about this new program. You're going to get better feels and better rates. You have every reason to open an account here and get away from what has been handicapping you for years. We've had a problem with this in the day trading community, and the whole thing has been rigged against day traders. We have a solution to it, and the firm with over 500 traders and growing worldwide. Email us today. Take the time to review what we have. Know that your advantages are going to be well beyond anything you've experienced. You do not have those now. You will want to consider right away why you would want to open an account. And I've given you the reasons why. And we'll be happy to talk with each one of you one-on-one. We will invite you so that you can see what we do, so that you, as a trader or a day trader who has been whacked around in these high-frequency markets, we have the solution. All you have to do is take time to get to know us, and your trading career will change, and you will be funded correctly. It takes money to make money. We know that. And it takes a system. We know that. And it takes support. We know that. And we are there every minute of the day with you when you're trading your live account that you will open. So it's been my pleasure introducing this to you. What I ask you to do now is call us at 702-685-0772 or click on the email us right here, and you can email us. It'll go to info@stockmarketfunding.com. It'll go about the trading account. We have proven ourselves over the years of what we can do with live entries and exits and profits. Now, if you want to move forward, take the right step And that step is putting the old stuff behind you and getting involved with the new markets. Markets have changed. They're totally different than when you were starting trading markets. Whether it was 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 2 years ago, things have gotten much more progressive, but there's a way to beat them in the system. And we know what that is. Otherwise, we could not provide you money to trade with. Remember, we're putting that up so that you can make money. It takes money to make money, and not everyone today in the day trading community has money left. The online discount brokers are going to give you nothing. Nothing but outdated stuff. They're not going to give you any money. They're not going to give you any support like we do. So take the next step and open your account today and email us.